this down just to pull this in. Okay. Clear.
Mexico Memorial Airport. Automated weather observation. 1935 Zulu weather. Wind 180.
Yeah, Mexico traffic. Spirit 104 Zulu Zulu is going to be back taxiing 418 Mexico.
Yeah, when I flew from Jeff City, I flew to Memorial and back to...
Okay. With the friend, or?
My grandpa got me flying lessons. I'm interested in flying and working on planes.
Yeah.
My deal, and he got me my first flying lesson. It's the only one I've taken, but that was a lot of fun. So I got to fly a little.
Good. I'm going to run it up, and most all aircraft are redundant, so everything's it's got a backup system. So I'm running up to a certain RPM, and it's got dual ignitions, meaning 2 spark plugs per cylinder, whereas your car only has 1. Controls clear and free. Gas on the fullest tank. And flaps up. And we'll lock the canopy. Okay.
Yeah, Mexico traffic. Spirit 104 Zulu Zulu is going to be departing runway 18. Will be a local flight for Mexico.
All right. Might be a little choppy after the storm. Excellent visibility, takes off easy, climbs well. What do you think so far?
This is cool.
Yeah.
I love that part. Taking off and landing are like one of my favorite parts.
Right, exactly. You get that sensation.
Yeah. Yeah, I love. See, the one I had didn't have this.
Right.
This,
Yeah, it's probably a Cessna.
Yeah, this is nice.
Well, everybody, I'm up here flying in the 650 with Anna. She's actually visiting Zenith today. She's an intern student from Mizzou, Columbia, Missouri, and studying engineering. Aerospace engineering is a minor, right?
Yes.
And what year of school are you in?
I'm going into my sophomore year.
Sophomore year. So she's doing an intern for the city of Mexico, and she wanted to visit Zenith Aircraft because we are a kit manufacturer, aircraft, and she's going into aerospace as a minor. So what do you think so far after visiting the factory?
That is a great setup. You all got it all figured out, like every little part of it.
Well, we try. There's still a lot to do, but yeah. So as we're a kit manufacturer, we make all the parts, but we don't actually finish the aircraft. The customer does it. So it's a little unique versus we're a real aircraft factory, but like a production aircraft company.
Right.
And so you've been studying. Was this your first intern?
Yes, this is my first internship after my freshman year.
Okay, and so you're going to be a sophomore next year?
Yes,
okay,
yes.
So what do you think so far? You still wanted to go into engineering?
Definitely. It's solidified my opinion, I think. I'm open to more fields, but mechanical's always been something I've been interested in, so sticking with that for now. And I've always loved airplanes. My grandpa flew in the Army.
Okay.
And so I've always loved airplanes. It's big, small, fast, slow.
Right. Yeah, it's very neat. The aircraft are exciting. Very few people actually fly aircraft. And it's fun to work and build your own aircraft too.
Yeah. Build it, fly it, all the above.
Yeah. And you talked about maybe getting your license one day.
Yes, that would be the goal.
Yeah.
I would like to do that almost after I get done with college.
Okay, well, maybe start a little bit during college too.
Yeah. Where would be a good place to do that?
Columbia is actually at the airport there. They do flight training. And there's a lot of new opportunities have just been released in the last couple weeks for flight training. So you can get your license in some of these larger aircraft with less hours.
Wow.
So that's always an opportunity. This is our 650, a low wing. Typically on a smooth day, you can cruise at 130, 140 miles an hour. Makes an excellent, nice cross-country aircraft. As you can tell, great visibility. I don't even have to control it in flight. Pretty much hands-off. I've got the glass cockpits, whereas 20 years ago, you just didn't see this. That's the new thing out.
Right.
And typically it takes a customer probably, about a year and a half to start to finish a project like this.
Yeah. Do you provide all this, everything?
We can, yes, but typically the customer will start with all the metal parts, the airframe part, and build that up because, it does take them a year and a half, 2 years sometimes, and they want fresh avionics. They want the up-to-date because it is computer. Same way with the engine part. And right now we're economy cruise. We're about 120 miles an hour. It doesn't feel like it though, does it?
No, it doesn't. It's crazy how slow it feels like you're going up high.
Right. And this is Benton City over here. So there's the airport, there's Mexico, and that's Benton City. So everything looks different from the air.
Yeah, everything looks a lot closer together.
Right. Yeah, it's a little choppy up. Not too bad.
A lot of farmland.
Oh, yes, yes. Yeah, this is just south of Mexico.
So you just circle around Mexico usually?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The engine I have is direct drive, air-cooled, 4-cylinder, 118 horse.
It's hard to recognize
Do what now?
from this high. It's hard to recognize it.
It's hard, you say?
Yeah.
It is, yeah. And it takes a few hours, when you start flying to recognize certain landscapes, or, to recognize when you're on a cross country.
Yeah, when we flew here from Jeff, I was trying to find my house and I was struggling.
Right, it does. Yeah, I could go flying in an airliner. I've flown all over the U.S. and I can pick stuff up even in the airliner because I've seen so much stuff. And
that's cool. How far have you flown these?
Oh, all over the U.S. Yeah. Yeah, I'll be on a flight on an airline. I'll say, oh yeah, there's such and such, and everybody, how do you know that? I've seen that before. And yeah, there's Walmart up there, right up there.
Oh yeah.
There's the bypass.
Oh, I see the soybean factory.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah, it's fun to fly, and it's very peaceful.
Oh, I bet. How long have you been working for?
Started in '93.
Wow, so you've seen it through all its changes.
Exactly, yeah, since from the beginning.
Cool.
And it's nice working for a small company like that. Yes, there's definitely challenges, but then there's rewards too. So versus big companies.
How often do you go up and fly?
It's probably, I mean, sometimes once a day. Other times, you know, I might skip several days, but it's probably 4, 5, or 6 times a week for sure. We'll head back. It's starting to get a little choppy. You all right?
Oh yeah, I'm doing good.
Good.
Mexico, traffic, Spirit Mall 650 is about 3 miles to the south, inbound landing for runway 18 Mexico.
Who do you call into?
I'm just giving I'm broadcasting over this area.
Okay.
To give a courtesy call, my location, what my intentions are. And so I told everybody that who I am, and I am about 3 miles south of the airport, and I'm going to be inbound landing. And then when I get a little closer, I'm going to tell them how I'm going to enter. That's called the downwind. And most airports, you enter from a left downwind on the left. I'm on the left, going down on the left side. Actually, I'm on the right side of it, but as I'm turning, I'm on the left.
And Mexico, traffic, Spirit Mall 650 is 1 mile south, inbound landing, the enter left downwind for 18 Mexico.
So we're going to land on 18, which is the smallest runway here in Mexico. You always want to land into the wind because your ground speed will be the slowest doing that.
Yeah.
So make sure it hadn't changed.
Niner 5-1 Zulu weather wind 320 at 5.
Yeah, see, the winds have shifted around. So the winds have shifted clear to the north just since we took off because that storm.
And Mexico, traffic, Spirit Mall is going to cross over midfield and re-enter the downwind for 36 Mexico.
Yeah. Yeah, see, it has. Just since it's switched 180 degrees.
Wow, that's
And that's why you always need to check and verify. Now, that small amount shouldn't make much difference, but you should always land into the wind as much as possible.
keeps you more in control.
Right.
Mexico traffic, Spirit Mall 650 is going to enter left downwind for 36 Mexico.
Okay, so what we're going to do, now we're on the downwind for 36. 36 is 360 degree heading, which is north. So what I'm going to do is beam the numbers. There's a number on the runway, so what I do is I'll bring back power because I got to bleed off some of this airspeed so I can lower the flaps, and you have a certain speed structural that you can only lower it to, and this aircraft is 80 miles an hour. And then I start my descent.
Mexico traffic, Spirit Mall 650 is left base, 36 Mexico.
Got gas, undercarriage, mixer props, seat belts, looks good. and lower the flaps the rest of the way. And double check the windsock. Good. Yeah. And we'll have a little bump down here at the end of the runway because of the transition, so we're going to hit it just about that point. I knew we were. There, you can tell the city, Drew, that they need to fix that transition point.
Gotcha. I'll convey the message.
Well, good. I hope this inspired you to do something in aviation.
Absolutely. So much for taking me up.
You're welcome.